One of the common effects that people like to use Photoshop for is for replacing areas within an image. Let's say, for example, we want to replace the sky in this image with something that's a little bit brighter. We're going to be using layers in this particular exercise. At the moment, we only have one layer in our document. It's the background. This is the default layer that is created when you open up an image. We can add images into our current document as layers. If we go to the File drop-down menu, we have the option to place embedded or linked. I'm just going to use the embedded option at the moment. I'm going to select a file, in this case a bright sky, which I want to replace my current sky with. I'm going to select the place menu, and that drops in my new sky in a new layer. I'm going to reposition my image. Again, layers give you the option to move your pixel data around. You'll see there's a cross in the box at the moment. That's because I've still got the option to adjust and place this image. As soon as I double click, it places the image into the document. I'm going to change the order with which I view these layers. At the moment, my current layer, my bright sky, is above the background. Now you'll see it won't let me change the order in the layer. That's because the background is always literally the background. I'm going to turn this into a standard layer by double clicking on it. I can rename this layer. Let's call this Valley and click OK. This has now been turned into a standard layer. I'm going to change the stacking order so that now my bright sky is behind my valleys. Now this is one of the main powerhouses of Photoshop, being able to use layers, stacking them one on top of the other.